Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Kia Sportage or Kia Sorento guys, and you need to remove, replace or locate where the intake Vvt Solenoid, also known as variable timing solenoid, is. Stay with us, we will explain that today guys. We will explain everything from start to finish, how to remove it, how to replace it, and most of the times they don't go bad guys, and we'll share a secret how you can actually fix yours, so make sure to stay until the end. So this should work on Kia Sportage and Kia Sorento different years. For instance, they start using it in early 2012 all the way to 2016-17 depending on the market guys. That's a 2.4 GDI engine. So before we start, let me introduce you to the channel. Every single car we get at the garage guys, we take them completely apart and we make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do all that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep providing this free information to you. Also guys, if you want to buy parts or tools for a really good price and quick shipping as well, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all our tools and parts from. Specifically, this is an engine out of a 2013 Kia that we'll be demonstrating on. And with that being said, okay, if you have a Kia guys or other vehicle, check our main channel Auto Repair guys. We have videos that have helped more than 120 million people guys, that can save you thousands of dollars. So let's start on it now. So what you need to do guys, okay, to get to the intake variable timing solenoid, or in some cases guys, okay, it's known as CVVT on Kia models. So you need to remove the upper engine cover, just grab it, okay, it has 4 bushings, so pull in each side, okay, and it will come out. Okay, you can see on the upper engine cover guys, you have 4 rubber bushings right here. Make sure they're still attached there. Remove those, okay, and now right here, that's where attached to this post right here on the front side of your engine guys, you have your intake manifold. That's where the engine gets its air from. On the back side you have the exhaust manifold. So the intake camshaft will be on the front side of the engine guys once you open the hood, because the intake is right here. And if you look right here, you come to this angle, okay, right there, that's where your intake Vvt variable timing solenoid is located. In order to remove it, okay, disconnect that connector, and right here we have a Torx 30 star looking bit. If you need any special tools guys, we'll put the links in the description of the video below. We'll go ahead, okay, and remove that, okay, that bolt right there. If the PCV hose is in the way, you can disconnect it, okay, and please try not to drop it. Okay, now I was able to find it, so that's good. Now that solenoid may be stuck guys, really bad, so you may need to get big pliers, okay, and pull it out, because if you try to pry it, you're going to break the connector, and in most cases that solenoid doesn't break guys. We'll explain what causes, okay, the solenoid not to work, so make sure you stay until the end. So we will grab it now, okay, twist it a little bit and pull at the same time. It has an O-ring that gets really stuck guys. You may leak some oil out, be prepared, okay, and that's the solenoid. Most of the times guys, okay, those solenoids get dirty, they start sticking and they don't perform correctly. That's why you may get an engine light and a poor engine performance because of that solenoid. We have a special video that explains how to clean, okay, Vvt solenoid on a Kia guys. I think the video, okay, is on our YouTube channel guys, Auto Repair guys. Check it out, it will teach you how to do that, and or World Mechanics, one of the two, and it will teach you how to do that, and you will be able guys 90% of the time to save your solenoid, okay, and not replace it. So that guys, okay, can save you quite a bit of money. Putting it together, make sure that the seal is here and the old seal is not stuck on the cylinder here. Lubricate the seal a little bit, install it, okay, get the bolt tight and pour the connector, and you're ready to go. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, let us know guys. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.